Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at NIO. Before we begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you greatly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's take a look at NIO. And just for information, NIO will begin trading in Singapore on May 20th, which is this coming Friday. So just do take note. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at NIO. So NIO was up 14.3% yesterday in US market. In fact, you can see that both the conversion line and the rate baseline has been crossed. This conversion line is currently at 14.59, while this rate baseline is currently at 16.11. We managed to close at 16.63, which shows that there is a lot of buying pressure and buyers are around. Furthermore, you can see that there is a good green candle of volume, so that is a good sign for NIO. Looking at the Fibonacci resistance, you can clearly see that this 61.8% and 1572 has been passed, and we have did it with a very nice green candle. So the next resistance to watch will be at 1682 before we reclaim back the high of 1822. So this will be the immediate resistance for NIO. And if we were to surpass it, then we may likely revisit this $19 to $20 level where there is some particular cloud resistance. Compared to this cloud resistance, it's not as thick, but do expect some resistance nonetheless. So let's move on to the one listed at Hong Kong. So the ticker is 9866. Not much data because it's just listed not too long ago. So you can see just yesterday, we were blocked by this blue conversion line. So this blue conversion line is currently at 121.5. But today, we actually gapped up. So when we gap up, we actually cleared this 50% at 124.4, but now we're struggling to clear this 61.8% at 129.9. Price is currently trading at 130, so if we do not cross above this hard resistance, it's likely for us to come back down. But do bear in mind that because of this gap up, there was a gap that was created, so this gap has to be filled. So even if we do pull back down, I hope that this previous resistance can turn into support, and that this 121 at these levels here, 121.5 can hold pretty strong. If not, we will end up just collapsing down. So after this 61.8% at 129.9, I'm looking towards this 78%, 78.6% and 137.8, which happens to coincide with this rate baseline. And thereafter, if you were to able to break up, then I'm looking towards this 147.9, which is this level here. So as of now, the buying pressure still looks good, but do not forget that we are still on a downtrend. And when we're on a downtrend, we're likely to just follow the trend. So you can see we are creating higher highs, higher lows, and also lower lows. So this is not a good sign for NIO. We may potentially just go up and have a relief rally before coming back down. So it's really dependent unless we can clear certain resistance. For instance, at 18 levels, 20 levels, and even this recent high of $24. And if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. And don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend channel intact. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.